Hello friends, welcome to the Java series. Today my topic is JDK, JVM and JRE. So first of all, JDK. What is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Now what is Java Development Kit? JDK is a software development kit consisting of all the tools which are used to make Java programs. So what does now JDK further consist of? JDK mainly consists of JRE, means Java Runtime Environment. Without JRE, the Java programs cannot execute. A compiler, which converts the Java source code into an intermediate code which is known as bytecode. And finally, the interpreter converts this bytecode into the machine code of underlying operating system. Now JRE. What is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It provides an environment for the Java programs to execute. It is a part of JDK. So what does JRE consist of? It consists of JVM and a set of libraries plus some other files that JVM uses at runtime. Now JVM. What is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a part of JRE. So what does JVM do? JVM interprets the compiled Java code known as bytecode into machine code of underlying operating system. Underlying operating system is the operating system which you use at that current time. So the main advantage of Java, that is, it is platform independent. It is due to JVM. Now a graphical summary. We have JDK, which consists of JRE plus some other development tool, and further JRE consists of JVM plus library classes. So, the compilation and execution of a Java program is a two-step process. In first step, the source code, which is in .java file, is converted into the bytecode. The format of bytecode is .class file. It is done by the JDK compiler. In second step, the bytecode which is in .class file is converted into the machine code of underlying operating system. It is done by JVM.